Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Libra at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na gusto sabihin sa'yo ng person mo, Libra. You're so special. You're truly divine. I've never felt energy like yours before and I can't get enough. Okay, so napaka-special mo daw na tao, Libra. Bottom niya is not the right time. Sabi dito, I'm overwhelmed with responsibilities. I don't have the time or energy for a relationship. Oh, okay. Though, nakikita ka niya to be somebody who truly special, pero sa ngayon, parang sinasabi nga niya na wala siyang panahon. Dahil marami siyang ginagawa sa trabaho o merong siguro siyang responsibility sa kanyang family. Kaya, yun ang priority niya sa ngayon, kaya hindi niya muna naiisip yung love life. Kung nilagay mo niya na sa back burner yon, sinantabi niya at para sa kanya, tsaka na lang. Pero nakikita ka niya na somebody na talagang maganda o gwapo o talagang kaaya-aya at dapat lang na alam mo yun, na bigyan ng pagkakataon o panahon. But wala kasi siya nun eh. Hindi niya mabigay yon. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung mababasa natin. We have the Queen of Cups, the Moon, the Ten of Swords, the Devil, and the Seven of Wands. Bottom niya is the Queen of Swords. Okay, Libra. Yung Queen of Swords natin dito is, ang energy nito is, of course, your energy. No, air sign. Gemini, Aquarius, or another Libra like you. Ang sinasabi dito is, of course, yung logic mo na ang mas binibigyan ng halaga. Yung kanyang pag-iisip ang mas importante kaysa puso o yung damdamin. At hindi siya magdadalawang isip na alsin sa kanyang buhay ang mga hindi na nagbibigay ng nararapat na halaga, kung gaba. If you have done something wrong with the Queen of Swords, you will be taken out. Kung gaba, tipong alsin kita sa buhay ko. I don't need you. Hindi siya magdadalawang isip na gawin ito. Napakadali. Napakadaling mawala ka sa buhay niya. Kasi ang isip ang ginagamit at hindi ang kanyang puso. Okay? Now, with the Four of Wands, iniisip mo mabuti kung ito na ba yung right person for you, or are you going to go to this direction of maybe making a proposal eventually. Kasi with the Six of Swords, you wanted to go to a much quieter place, no? You're turning your back and making sure that you are with your person na talagang patungo kayo sa isang lugar na tahimik. O yung kayong dalawa lang and you will have a much better time spending, no, yung alone time with each other. Ito, yung Queen of Cups. This is all about emotion. No? Something na totally opposite itong Queen of Swords. Ito isip, ito puro damdamin. Pagdating sa damdamin, of course, in love ka dito. No? I think, Libra, you are in love with this person. Pero hindi ka sure. Hindi ka totally clear about this. Parang medyo malabo. To a point na gusto mo na magkaroon ng ending. Kasi wala ka nakikitang pag-asa eh. You find it to be parang zero. Kung gaba sa panliligaw, busted. And it's masakit kasi you're so obsessed with this person. May feeling of obsession. You really want this person badly. Pero dahil nga doon, atuto ka na maging very protective of yourself. Very cautious na parang, teka muna, ayoko na masaktan. Ayoko na ng ganitong pakiramdam. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ba't andito yung Queen of Cups? We have the Four of Swords, the Hermit, and the Chariot. In love ka, yeah? But you feel that you need to take a rest. Kung gaba tipong ipahinga ko muna tong pag-ibig ko nito. Pag-isipan ko mabuti, no? Itong dalawang card na to is all about meditating, thinking, long and hard, reflecting, no? Ano ba nire-reflect mo? Kung saan ako pupunta? What is my next move with the Chariot? Saan ba ako punta? Dito sa kaliwa, sa kanan? Ano yung next na gagawin ko? Kasi sa totoo, I love this person. I really like this person to be with me. No? But you can actually see na you're being asked to make that reflection. Mag-isip ka muna. Pag-isipan mo muna mabuti kung talagang siya. Now, bakit andito yung Moon? We have the King of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. Yung hindi ka sure kung paano ba tong tao na to? Would this person be honest or talk with me? Makikipag-usap ba sa akin to? Honestly? Itong taong banto is that person that would really show o mag-e-effort sa akin. Kasi kung hindi rin naman, I'm willing to walk away. You know, hindi ko kung gaba, hindi ako magdadalawang isip kung hindi man nakamit, no? Hindi magawa nitong person na to, itong dalawang bagay na to. Makipag-usap sa akin honestly and to show efforts. I'm willing to walk away. Aalis ako. I'm willing to forget all of this and just move. Bakit andito yung Ten of Swords? Ba't andito yung Ten of Swords? We have the Ace of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the High Priestess. Masakit, di ba? I mean, you want an ending. Tapusin na natin to. And that is the truth, no? Yun yung gusto mong parating sa kanya. Ito yung gusto mong parating sa kanya, yung katotohanan na to na masakit yung ginagawa mo, ha? And based sa nakikita mo sa iyong intuition, sa nararamdaman mo, o sinasabi sa'yo, na tama na, no? Tapusin mo na to, magkaroon na ng ending. Kasi wala naman eh. Walang nangyayari. Maybe because it wasn't the right time, no? No, overwhelmed yung person mo with responsibility. Ikaw naman, doon nakikita niya na talagang, alam mo yung nararamdaman ka niya, na talagang okay ka naman, pero parang hindi talaga eh. Kasi siguro nga, na-overwhelm siya, no? Sa kanyang ginagawa ngayon. Bakit andito yung devil? We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Lovers, and Temperance. Okay, so nagiging obsessive na, no? Very obsessive yung dating. Kasi nga, I never felt energy like yours before, and I can't get enough. Parang kulang pa. No, yung yes, gusto ka niya, no? You find this person to be, ikaw, I mean Libra, your person finds you to be somebody na talagang very special, to a point na medyo obsessive na yung dating. But kung titignan mo, your person needs to make that decision. No. The Queen of Pentacles, siyempre ang hinahanap mo dito is yung stability, no? Yung stability ng relationship. Because with the Lovers, you wanted to make that right decision, no? What decision? Na maging balance yung relationship. Na tamang-tama lang. Kung gaba sa timpla, perfect yung concoction, di ba? Tamang-tama yung pagkatimpla. Hindi obsessive. Hindi sobra-sobra. Kasi, ang nangyayari dito, I can't get enough. Parang, nakakaano yun, di ba? Medyo questionable. O nakakatakot to a point na, para bang, obsessed sa akin itong taon to. To a point na it is not good anymore. Kasi devil na yung energy niya eh. 7 of Wands. Bakit andito yung 7 of Wands? We have the 9 of Pentacles, the Star, and the 10 of Cups. So, dahil nga ganun, yung sobrang obsessive yung dating, ikaw, sabi mo, teka muna, huwag kang magmadali. Hindi ako nagmamadali. Dahil ang gusto ko, mag-focus muna sa sarili ko. I wanted to be single and, independent. And that is my wish fulfillment. So I could be happy. Focus muna siya, Libra, ikaw. Focus ka muna sa sarili mo. That is what you're wishing for, praying for. Para makimit mo yung happiness na yun. I don't think this person is the one na magsasabi na siya yung magbibigay ng happiness na yun sa'yo. Hindi. It will be you. Focusing on yourself, making sure that you could buy everything you want from your hard-earned money. For being independent. You don't need anybody to support you. Ito yun eh. That's your wish. Para happy, diba? Hindi mo kailangan to. Maybe you're saying na it's not the right time. Hindi yung tamang panahon. Timing is off. Diba? Is there somebody coming in sa buhay ni Libra apart from this person? May iba pa bang dadating? Sa ngayon, no. Kasi conflict lang. Gulo lang. Would Libra stay single for a while? Yes. Medyo ano ka lang, chill ka lang. Yung tipong, yeah, I will enjoy myself. In and out, you know. Wala mo ng love life. Kailan yung time na dadating na may bago ng love si Libra? When you're truly ready for it. Yeah. Tama nga naman. When you are truly ready for it. Pag handa ka na, dadating yung love. Okay? Kasi sa ngayon nga, focus ka lang sa sarili mo eh. Tama naman siya. So, ano yung gustong sabihin ng person mo? Ito, ngayon, Libra sa'yo. It's time for me to heal now. So, medyo may pagka-obsessive nga eh. I replay our conversations over and over. And I'm so attracted to you. Talaga naman, di ba? Ayan, sabi ko nga. Magiging obsessive yung dating. So attracted to you. Hindi mo maalis eh. Para ka siguro Diyosa ng kagandahan, Libra. O tipong napakagwapo mo. Napakagwapo mo, Libra. O Diyosa ng kagandahan ikaw. Any more messages? First quarter moon in Aries, step into your power. Yep. First quarter moon in Cancer, push through any insecurities. Okay, so push through any insecurities, di ba? And full moon in Capricorn, take a reality check. Okay. So, yun po ang ating advice para sa'yo, Libra. Kung sino man po itong Libra na nakuha natin ng energy ngayon sa pagbasa na ito. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli. Sana po nakatulong ito sa iyo ng malaki. Ingat ka and God bless.